It was just supposed to be another cold, silent scan of a distant exoplanet. But what the James Webb Space Telescope found on K2-18b has scientists everywhere rethinking what we thought we knew about life in the universe. This isn't science fiction. It's a real astronomical mystery unfolding 124 light-years away in the constellation Leo. K2-18b, a planet slightly over twice the size of Earth and located in its star's habitable zone, has just revealed atmospheric signatures that shouldn't exist unless something somewhere is alive. This sub-Neptune world was first spotted by the Kepler telescope and seemed like just another among the stars. But when James Webb focused its ultra-sensitive infrared eyes on it, things got weird fast. The telescope didn't just detect carbon dioxide and methane, molecules common in atmospheres, it also picked up dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. Now, on Earth, DMS is primarily produced by living organisms, especially marine phytoplankton. Let that sink in. A compound linked directly to biological activity found in the atmosphere of a distant world. Not only was DMS detected, but it showed up in quantities far too large to be explained by chance or error. And the only known natural source for it, outside of industrial processes, is life. Could this truly be a biosignature from an alien ocean? Scientists are cautiously thrilled, but there's a long road from interesting chemical to confirmed alien life. Still, K2-18b continues to surprise. It appears to have a thick hydrogen-rich atmosphere, possibly surrounding a liquid water ocean. And where there's water and organic molecules, there's always a chance for life. But this planet isn't some Earth clone. Its conditions might be more exotic than we can imagine, possibly a Haitian world, a new class of planet proposed to support life under high-pressure, hydrogen-dense skies. Think of a deep ocean world covered in clouds, more like a sci-fi movie than your backyard. Yet here we are, getting molecular whispers from that faraway ocean. The data isn't just noise. Scientists have run it through multiple analyses and cross-confirmed it across several Webb instruments. So what's stopping us from declaring alien life found? One word: noise. The James Webb Telescope is powerful, but not perfect. Molecular signatures are complex, and false positives happen. Scientists use the term 3 sigma to describe the current confidence level in the DMS reading. That's about 99.7% certainty. But to claim alien life, you need 5 sigma, about 99.9999%, a level of confidence that leaves no room for doubt. Until then, this tantalizing signal remains just that, tantalizing. But it's enough to spark a flurry of new investigations. Multiple institutions, from Cambridge to NASA, are already reanalyzing the data, while others prepare fresh telescope observations to verify or debunk the find. And while skeptics raise valid concerns, like the possibility of atmospheric noise or data misinterpretation, others say this is the most promising lead in the search for extraterrestrial life since we pointed radio telescopes at the stars. Beyond the science, there's a bigger question here. If life exists on K2-18b, even in microbial form, it means the universe is not sterile. It means life is not a fluke. It could be common, perhaps even inevitable. And if it happened there, it could happen anywhere. Every star could have a planet with its own version of DMS, its own ecosystem, its own story. That's why this discovery, if confirmed, would change everything. Not just astronomy, but philosophy, religion, and how we see ourselves in the cosmos. And here's the kicker. This might just be the beginning. The James Webb Telescope is still in its early observational years. If this is what it's uncovering already, what else might it find? Ancient alien civilizations? Signs of techno-signatures? Or simply hundreds more planets with the chemical breath of something living? The universe may be more alive than we ever imagined. K2-18b has gone from obscure rock to a possible home for alien biology, and all it took was one chemical fingerprint. As more data pours in, and more eyes turn to that red dwarf star in Leo, we may soon be forced to ask ourselves, are we really alone, or have we just not been looking carefully enough? Stay tuned, because this is the kind of story where the next chapter could blow the lid off everything we thought we knew about life, the universe, and our place in it,